Welcome to this detailed look at Mega Cloud Storage, a popular choice in the cloud storage world due to its mix of security features and user-friendly interface. In this video, I'll guide you through Mega's key features, its pricing model, and its unique security offerings, so you can decide if the service meets your needs. Overview of Mega Cloud Storage. Mega is known for its user-centric design, offering new users up to 20 gigabytes of free storage, more than most competitors. What sets Mega apart is its strong focus on privacy and security, featuring end-to-end encryption by default on all stored files. This security level means only you hold the decryption key, giving you control over who can access your data. Mega's interface is straightforward and offers a clean, intuitive experience, whether you're using the desktop app, mobile app, or web browser. Advantages of Mega Cloud Storage. Mega is a great choice for users who value security and ease of use. The service provides fast file upload and download speeds, even on larger files. Additionally, the ability to set sharing permissions and time-limited access links gives users more control over file sharing. Mega's generous free tier and competitive pricing for paid storage plans make it accessible, with options ranging from affordable 400 gigabytes to extensive multi-terabyte storage packages. The 2 terabytes plan is particularly popular for everyday storage, while the higher 8 terabytes plan suits more professional users. Disadvantages of Mega Cloud Storage. Although Mega provides excellent security, its strict encryption also means you'll need to remember your password carefully. There's no way to recover data if you lose it. Mega also has occasional limitations on bandwidth for free accounts, which may slow down downloads after heavy use. Some users might find these limitations restrictive if they frequently share or download large files. Additionally, the paid plans, though cost-effective, do not offer a lifetime purchase option, which some competitors provide. Pricing overview. Mega's pricing is competitive, with monthly and yearly plans that provide a range of storage capacities. Plans begin at 400 gigabytes and go up to 8 terabytes, with prices increasing according to storage capacity. While there's no option to pay once for lifetime storage, Mega's subscription rates remain affordable and transparent, with no hidden fees or surprise charges. Alternative option. If you're looking for a one-time purchase option for cloud storage, check out the link in the description for a special offer. Buy 10 terabytes of storage forever without any recurring fees. This can be a great solution for anyone needing permanent storage space without ongoing payments. In conclusion, Mega Cloud Storage combines privacy, security, and user-friendly features into an affordable cloud solution, making it a solid choice for both personal and professional use. It's especially valuable for those who prioritize data security and need robust file sharing features. If you found this review helpful, subscribe and give this video a thumbs up for more tech reviews and tips.